Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to prepare a tax return for Brenda Peterson. This is the tax scenario. So we're going to log into the practice lab of TaxSlayer. So we're going to click select a new return. We're going to input the Social Security number. And it's 412. We're going to ignore the middle digits and then 5670 and then input it again. 412 and then 5670 and click start return. This is a screen where you can select the filing status. So Brenda Peterson is a single taxpayer, so we're going to click single here and then continue. So the primary first name, Brenda Peterson, and if date of birth is not provided, just input. Make sure someone over, just input a date in there. Make sure it's over 21. And occupation, if it's not provided, we're just going to assume that she's a clerk. And then check if any of these applies. So we're not going to check any of these. And then address, we're going to input what's given to us. East Street 02043 is the zip code. And then input a phone number. And then we're going to continue. So the phone number, I just made it up. So you can make up the phone number. Here we're going to answer no. And then continue. And Brenda has no dependents. All right, so on the left-hand panel here, you can see that if you want to input income, you will click income. If there's any deductions, then we would input deductions. Payments and estimated taxes. This is a panel where you can just click and go straight to the section. So we're going to click income. Brenda has a W-2. So that's the only, well, not the only source of income, but W-2, and then also she has 2 interest income. So we're going to go with W-2 first. Okay, so we don't have the employer's EIN, so we're gonna assume. Okay, just input 1 through 9. And then these boxes. So provided, the problem provided box number 1 through 6, and that's what we're going to input. 155.75. Withholding was 8366.12. So as you can see, the Social Security taxes withheld and Medicare taxes withheld is already calculated for you. So you don't even have to input that because that's on a fixed percentage. And then we're going to scroll all the way down, and then we're going to click continue. All right, so we have the W-2 inputted already. We're going to click income to get back to the screen where you can select multiple types of income. So she has 2 interest income. So as you can see right here, interest and dividends, this is where we want to go. We'll click begin. And then click interest dividend income, click begin again. And this is an interest income. Continue. Payer's name. So the first one is from First National Bank. If it doesn't have a red asterisk, it's not required, so we're not going to input that. We do want to input the interest income in box 1. And so that's 537.39 as provided in the problem. All right, so we're going to click continue, or we could save and enter another. Okay, so we save and enter another. Then we can input the second one. So the second one is base date savings. And then again, we're going to go down and just input the interest in box 1, which is 281.70. And then click continue. All right, so in this screen, you can see 2 of them. So if you want to edit anything, you click the edit link, and then if you want to trash it, delete it, then you click the trash can. All right, so we input everything, and health insurance, we're going to click here because it says that Brenda had qualified health insurance coverage. So let's click there. We're going to click yes, and then continue. Here we're going to say no. Okay, so that's it. This is all the input, and now we're going to print the return. We're going to go to summary and print. View and print return. Print 2018. And here you go. This is the tax return. So we're going to look at, so this is form 1040 page 1. And this is form 1040 page 2. So verify the wages, 67,156. Interest income, the two combined together is 819. And then so as you can see, the standard deduction is provided 12,000. So if you don't input any deductions, the software is going to assume that it's standard deduction of 12,000. And then the the payment of 8366 right here. This is from the W-2, federal income tax withholdings. So the tax was 8254, and she paid a little bit higher than required, so she's getting $112 refund. And this is Brenda Peterson's return. Thank you for watching.